over COVID. This is a moment for all of us which gives us immense satisfaction, and as Health Minister of the country, I would like to pay my tributes to all those who have contributed to the success of the fight against COVID till now. All my COVID warriors who worked in hospitals, doctors, nurses, other health workers, those who worked as frontline workers in the field, those who worked in containment zones, surveillance zones, our policemen, our paramilitary people, our sanitation people, our security people, and if I have to honestly add, all of you, the journalists, I keep them also in the category of the COVID warriors, because all through they have been on the ground zero, taking all sorts of risks to report back the right information to the people of India. Large number of non-government social organizations who have contributed significantly to ensure that those who are having different types of sufferings, more particularly the poor people, their sufferings could be alleviated, and we could ensure that we have reached this stage when we are delivering the vaccines now to the people of India. As I said, this is a huge exercise for us. This is probably the biggest immunization campaign against COVID anywhere in the whole world. India has tremendous experience of handling such issues. You know, we have already eradicated smallpox in such a big country. We have already eradicated polio, where we were home to 60% of the polio cases of the whole world. We have a very robust universal immunization program where we give a dozen vaccines to almost 60 crore children every year. And we also have had one of the biggest immunization campaign against measles and rubella. And today also we have put the finest structure in place for which we had been working and planning for last 5 months continuously. And this structure where these vaccinations are being given, it is all over the country in all parts, whether it's a remote area, whether it's a hard to reach area, whether it is a tribal belt, whether it is a village, whether it is a suburban area, whether it's an urban setting, whether it's a slum in an urban setting. Even in the remotest part of the country, system has been put in place. Lakhs of workers, starting from the national level to the block level, they have been trained for this exercise. Not only trained, we have also ensured that we had a mock exercise done in stages, ultimately culminating in a national level mock exercise to ensure that even if there are the slightest glitches in the delivery mechanisms, we adopt a preemptive strategy to correct them. Detailed guidelines have been given to all the people in the country, and you know, we have a very technologically superb and perfect network app. Earlier we had a electronic this EVIN platform, which was a electronic vaccine intelligence network. We have now converted it into a CoWIN platform, which depicts success win against COVID, and this is tracking everything: the vaccine, its availability at various places, its temperature at various places, its transportation from one place to other, and it is also tracking every bit of information related to the potential beneficiary. All those who are being given these vaccinations, they are already on the platform, and now they'll get continuous. They got a text message in the last 2 days also about the place where they will be vaccinated today. And this is happening all over the country. And now in the next 4 weeks they will again get text messages, reminders about their next vaccination. They will also get electronically generated certificates of vaccination. And of course all scientific protocols, all public health measures. And it is a moment to thank all the health-related officials, doctors of the whole country, including my colleague health ministers, and of course the Prime Minister of the country, who has been leading from the front, who has always been guiding us and taking and eliciting all support from all the chief ministers of the country. So I think there is nothing more. We have been sharing every bit of information during the whole year with all of you, and this is a very, very satisfying moment for me, and I would like to once again express my gratitude to all of you on this occasion.
Can we ask questions?
If you want.
Well, we appreciate your efforts as well, and congratulations.
Pardon?
We appreciate your efforts as well, and congratulations. You say lakhs of workers are involved. What's the total, do you think?
What is the
total of workers involved right now with this effort?
No, you see, the workers had been very, very sincerely working. They had been working.
How many?
You see, it is at different levels. I think at least in today's exercise, more than 1 million workers may be involved, but the exact number may be difficult to pinpoint, because at every stage, you see, it's not only the 4 people who are present at that vaccination site who are giving the vaccination. They, from that basic unit to the level at which the whole country is working, they're supported by, so it's very difficult to pinpoint the exact number, but it will certainly run into millions.
Millions of things.
Definitely,
one other small
definitely.
number question. To get to 300 million by the middle of the year, you've got to vaccinate 1.5 million a day. We're starting at around 3,000 today. How's that ramp up going to work?
You see, the calculation about this was done according to the likely availability of the vaccine.
Oh, I see.
When we had calculated this strategy, we informally could be in touch with the vaccine manufacturers, and we had a rough calculation that, say, by June, July, August, we should be able to have the number of doses which will be adequate to give vaccination to 30 crore people, right?